Good morning, folks. Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to share a great opportunity with you. Now, this is very simple to identify. This is just following volume. This is really the heart and soul of what we are here at Hawkeye Traders. So just take a quick moment, look over this disclaimer. Basically just says that anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not associate anything I share with you as live financial or trading advice, as it is certainly not. So, guys, the whole entire premise of what we do here at Hawkeye, the entire indicator base is built around just one thing, and that one particular thing is volume. Now, volume precedes price action, and price action is reactive to supply and demand. Now, if you understand what that means, you can very easily take advantage of the opportunities the market continues to bring to the table for us as traders. Now, if we look to the left side of this chart here, it's very obvious that we have a lot of buying interest. So the volume is telling us that the buyers are basically in control. The buyers are in it to drive this price higher. So what do we have to do? Well, we just have to basically sit back and wait until the trend develops and the heat map turns bright green, and that tells us it's time to take this trade. It's very, very simple. So once all that transpires, we know the buyer's in control because we see 4 or 5 bars before we even get our entry signal that there's buying volume. Then we get a trend entry with supporting volume and supporting heat map. So we know it's time that the market is going to go long. So we get into this trade, we buy it long at 1780.5. Now, this is the gold futures, in case any of you missed that. In the top left corner, at GC, these are the gold futures. The price then continued to do what volume had preceded it to do. So volume precedes price action. We saw the buyers came in, and what did they do? They bought up, and they drove the price higher. Now, take your attention to basically the center of the screen, the tippy top of this particular move. The reason I included where the move turned against us is because volume told us the move was going to turn against us. Do we see that red bar? That we call that a red top. Now, why do we call it a red top? Well, that bar protruded further than any other bar in the sequence of that trend. And who stepped in? The sellers. The sellers came in and said, that's it. The buyers have driven the price high enough to a point where for us, it's time to either A, take profit, or B, it's time to take control and push the price lower. So as that transpired, we knew it was time to exit the trade. We saw a shift in volume, meaning a shift in control. So when the buyers are in control, we want to go long. When the sellers are in control, we want to go short. If you understand volume, volume precedes price action. If you understand price action is reactive to supply and demand. If you can put that entire equation together, you can successfully, consistently pull profits out of this market over and over and over again. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Well, guys, it's very simple. If there's something that you want to be better at in life, don't ask for it to be easier. Ask for you to be better at it. And that comes with everything. In your business, in your trading, in your relationships, in your physical fitness, in your diet, whatever you are focusing on in life. Don't wish it to be easier, just wish you were better at it. And let me tell you something. That is something that really comes from within you, and you have the opportunity to, of course, take control of whatever it is that you want to do with your life and find yourself the success that you're looking for. It's not, the world doesn't pick us. We pick what we want to be. We make a conscious decision. We make the sacrifices. We have the discipline and the consistency to ultimately be who and what we want to be. It's just a choice. So make the choice to wish that you were better and not that it was easier. And you will be thankful as the journey continues that you are so much more advanced, as you continue on your journey in whatever it is that you're doing in your life. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how volume precedes price action and price action is reactive to supply and demand, there's a link directly below this video. All you have to do is click on it. It will take you to what we call the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, you are going to learn just about that. You're going to see how volume precedes price action. And if you can read volume and understand price action and how it's reactive to supply and demand, you can read the market like a roadmap. And as you can read the market like a roadmap, you will have the opportunity, of course, to take advantage of the market like it's a roadmap. So, if you'd like to learn more about us as a company, you can visit us at HawkeyeTraders.com. Otherwise, you're welcome to email us or call us anytime. And we look forward to working with you and welcoming you to the Hawkeye family. Have a great day, have a blessed day, have a profitable day, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.